ಗ್ಲೌಸು ಗಿವ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಬ್ಬಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಏನು ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಬೈಕು, ನಾವು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶೂಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಡಿ. ಏನು? ಹಾಂ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು ಒಂದು ಸತಿ. ಅಣ್ಣ, ಯಾಕಣ್ಣ ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೈಗಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ನಡಿಯ. ಬಾ, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾ. ಹಾಂ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಭದ್ರಾ ನಿವಾಸ. It costed around 700 rupees for one day, for 3 of us. So it will be around 250. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The view, the scenery and everything. It's really great. Wow, the open ground. So yesterday we came from Bangalore to Hornadu and ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು? ನಡಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ನಡಿ. ಲೆಫ್ಟೇನೋ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ, ಕೇಳೋವ್ರನ್ನ. ನಡಿ ನಡಿ. ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಅಭಿ, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು. So yesterday we came from Bangalore to Hornadu and then visited some places. The Sringeri falls was awesome, man. It was like a private falls for us. ಏನಂತೀಯ ಅಭಿ? We did not expect that nobody will be there. Thanks ಅಣ್ಣ. And today we are going to Sringeri. Yes, from Hornadu to Sringeri. So this ride is going to be only around the Western Ghats, that's it. This was a long dream for me, to roam with all these friends and everywhere, wherever I go. And one by one I'm fulfilling it. Let me close the visor. Beautiful scenery, man, beautiful scenery. These roads I'm getting accustomed to. So today the plan is, yesterday we came to Hornadu, then we visited Sringeri Falls. It's really beautiful, though the water was not as as flowing as when it would be in the peaks, but we were still so much enjoyed that route and everything, going into the forest in that narrow road. Did some crazy off-roading and it was really beautiful. We had a nice time there. We had a chit chat about our college life and everything. Whoa! Yoppa! This is, and of course we did enjoy everything. Then we came back to our hotel. We freshened up and we went to the Annapurneshwari temple, and it's like not even 100 meters. So the room we took in Bhadra Nivasa is like 100 meters from the temple, and the rooms are really beautiful. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ಸಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ after visiting the temple we came back, saw India vs Bangladesh match, the winning moments and everything. Then we slept. That's what the first day ended up as. Now today, second day, we are going to Sringeri, and on the way we have a spot to visit, that is Kudremukh viewpoint, I feel. So we are going there. I hope it is as beautiful as yesterday's, man. That's it. The best thing is there is no traffic here. Of course, Bangalore people can't help boasting about no traffic, but not even, like we can't find vehicles until and unless 5 to 10 minutes of gap. So it's really good, but the roads are very uneven. Like now it is like flat, but in the next corner itself it can dip like anything. So we'll go to the Surmane yesterday. Man, that was unforgettable. Just imagine there's nobody and the falls and the forest and the snow bun. You can hear only the insects and all the animals, birds chirping. It was so good. I was really happy. More than happy, you can say. You can say I was so much satisfied yesterday by that experience. So we'll go to the Kudremukh viewpoint, then I'll meet you. These guard sections, these twisties, or you can find it anywhere, but not these kind. The Western Ghats, these 4 days Western Ghats will be like an unforgettable moment for me. So that's it. I will meet you with an update. Wow, the view. ಏನಂತೀಯ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಡಿಬೋದಾ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಥರ? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ರೋಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈನ್, ಅದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಕೇಳೋರ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ನಡಿ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಡಿ. ಏನೋ ಅಗದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರೆಲ್ಲ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದವ್ರು? ಓಕೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕಂತ? ಓಹೋ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಬೈಕ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ? ಸೀನ್ರಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಬರ್ತಾವ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದೆ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಮಗ ಕೇಳು ಹಂಗೆ. ಬಾ. ಏನು ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾಬಿ? ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಂದಿದ್ದವರು? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ? ಏನಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಂದ ನೀನು? ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಬಾ, ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬಾ.